In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use canned responses in Freshdesk. Whether you're new to Freshdesk or looking to refine your customer service tactics, understanding how to utilize canned responses can drastically improve your efficiency and consistency when handling customer inquiries. So let's jump right in and streamline your support process. First things first, we need to get you logged into your Freshdesk account. Head over to the Freshdesk website. Once there, you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to type in your email address. Type it carefully, then click continue. This step is pretty straightforward, but remember, accessing your account securely is the bedrock of managing your customer support effectively. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the tickets. Look for the ticket option and click on it. This area is where all the action happens, a central hub for managing customer queries and concerns. By clicking here, you're stepping into your command center ready to tackle the day's challenges. With your ticket dashboard open, it's time to select a ticket you wish to respond to. Click on the ticket that requires your attention. Each ticket represents a unique customer with a specific need. By selecting a ticket, you're one step closer to providing a solution to their problem. Upon selecting your ticket, your next move is to click on Reply. This action opens up your response window, giving you the space to draft your personalized reply. However, before you start typing away, let's make our job easier by utilizing the Canned Responses feature. Look for the Canned Responses button at the bottom of your reply window and click on it. Canned responses are pre-written answers to common questions. They can be a huge time saver, allowing you to maintain consistency and speed in your replies. Go ahead and choose the response that best fits the inquiry you're addressing. The brilliant thing about canned responses is that they are customizable templates. Selecting the right one serves as a solid foundation, which you can then build upon to personalize your message further. Now, to incorporate the chosen canned response into your reply, click on the small plus icon next to the response. This action automatically inserts the response into your reply window. From there, you can tweak the message to add a personal touch or additional information relevant to the specific case. Finally, after you've inserted the canned response and made any necessary adjustments, it's time to send your reply. Hit the send button and voila, you've successfully responded to a customer query using a canned response in Freshdesk. Remember, efficient customer service is all about balancing speed and personalization. Canned responses in Freshdesk are a powerful tool in achieving that balance by allowing you to quickly provide accurate, consistent answers that you can easily personalize. This doesn't just improve your response times, it enhances the overall customer experience, making them feel heard and valued. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. By mastering canned responses, you're well on your way to optimizing your support process in Freshdesk. Feel free to revisit any of the steps we've covered today whenever you need a refresher. Happy supporting!